Hi, and welcome to this TNP Quick Minute. Today we're going to show you how to georeference a PDF plan sheet. First go to Layers, then Custom Maps. Next select Import, and select the PDF plan sheet that you want to reference. Next move the plan sheet to the location that you want to start, and add a reference point. Move the reference point to the correct location on the plan sheet, and then find the corresponding point on the map. Since I don't have any good references, as this is just an open field, I've imported some control points that I can use as a reference. Continue this process until you have at least 3 reference points to align your PDF plan sheet. Once finished, click Done, and then Close. And you've just imported a PDF plan sheet. This has been your TNP Quick Minute.